Um, Hello everyone. In this video or tutorial, whatever it is, I'm going to show you how to make a wait a second, like a dead body spawner to your game. So whenever like your player touches like your monster, this is mine right here. Whenever it like touches, spawns like a dead body, like in Escape Balloon or like Lethal Ape, like any other game probably. So I'm going to show you how to do it in this tutorial. There will be this link down below. Just wait a second. In the link. Once you're in the link, you just want to press download, and then whenever it's like downloaded, you're like so here like just select the script. They just download it and then drag it in the your game or whatever, wherever you want. So what you want to do first, I'm just gonna make like a test monster or anything, just like a test monster, when I said is trigger on your monster. Okay, look, just pretend like this is your monster. Like, okay, what you wanna do? You wanna go to like your monster, whatever you want, like to dead body spawn whenever you like touch with him or whenever you die. What you wanna do? You wanna add a box collider and set its trigger. And I wanna set its trigger. Actually, no, don't set its trigger. Do not set its trigger. You wanna press this thing and you wanna like edit it. Like there's like little dots. You want to scale it. Every single dot right here is basically like the hitbox of the monster. So what you set. So whenever you touch this like hitbox, that dead body will spawn. You don't want to set its trigger on your player. When I go on your player, I have a custom rig I made. It's like a physics rig, like capuchin type rig or whatever. So what you wanna do is create a tag, call it hand tag, then save. Wait, not like this. Yeah, hand tag, and then just save. Go to your hand. On your hands, you wanna add a sphere collider and set its trigger and hand tag. But if you use like this capuchin type rig, if you're using like a capuchin rig, just set the layer to hand tag and don't set its trigger. So once you've done that, you wanna go back to your monster. Now what you wanna do, you wanna go to your monster. This is just like a my test monster that I made. And you wanna add the script hand taggy. You wanna set this to hand tag, just like what you've set it to. You wanna create an empty object, and you need to make it a child of the cube. So I wanna make it an empty object. You can make like, so basically you wanna also call it spawn point, and you just drag it wherever you want. Wherever you like drag this at, this is where it will spawn. What you wanna do? You wanna drag in the spawn point. Okay, now this is we're gonna get into the your monkey dead body off, what you wanna do, you wanna drag in your like player model. I'm gonna just do this real quick. You're gonna drag in. You're gonna go to your head, and then like your player model or whatever your player model is, and then just delete the player from the hierarchy. Now this is the stuff that we're gonna do right now. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay. What you wanna do? You wanna select all of your bones on your player model, but not the fingers. We don't need the fingers. Okay, what you'll need to do now is to select your body. Alright, and by the way, I recommend using animation rigging, so it's like easier to select the bones, like way easier. You wanna select your body, which is right here, or wherever it is. You wanna right click on it. It should be like highlighted blue, that means it's selected. You wanna right click, 3D object, capsule. I chose cylinder on accident. Capsule. Oh, damn. Sweet. Just kill it there. You wanna move this to like your body, drag it into your body, and right here I'm gonna just move it up because it's easier. What you wanna do, where is capsule? Right here, like here. You wanna control and D at the same time on your keyboard. Then you wanna make it like a smaller and like scale it down a bit. Drag it into your head. Now you wanna select your head. Mine is this right here. I need to select my capsule right here. I'm gonna drag it into my head. I know that's not my head. Boom. Yeah, it's my head right here. Okay, what you want to do now, you want to select your body and add a rigid body to it. Rigid body on your body, and then you want to do the same thing for your head, but you want to delete rigid body, like not from your body, like from the components thing. Alright, and you want to search up character join. Now it'll add a rigid body automatically. What you want to do here, connected bodies, you want to drag in your body, so you want to select your body. Mine is right here, and my head is right here. You want to drag in your body into connected body. Okay, now what we need is to select your arm, select your left arm right here, 3D object, capsule. Okay, selected my capsule. I wanna drag it in your hand. It's already in my hand. I'm gonna select my hand right here and add character control. Oh no, character joint, and drag in your body again. Now go on your this arm, do the same thing for it. capsule. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, this is on my this arm. You wanna do the same thing, character joint, but now you want to drag in this arm, not body. You're gonna drag in this arm, drag it in right here. And by the way, if you just like have like a cube runner style player model, just like like you want to just drag out your player and just add a collider to it and just add rigid body. But yeah, for this I have like a player model, so I'm not gonna do that. So here it's on this bone. Okay, now you wanna go on your hand and just add a character joint and add it on this arm right here to it. Yeah, and now you wanna literally do the same thing for it, but with like these bones right here. Yes, I'm gonna just duplicate this. Okay. And now you wanna this bone. Add a character joint. Drag in your body. Now you wanna select your capsule again in this capsule. Control and D at the same time to duplicate it. Drag it out to your this hand. Then you wanna select this. You wanna select your arm right here. Capsule 2. One is this. You wanna do the same thing with character joint, but you wanna drag in this arm into it. Now just do the same thing for the hand. Don't add a collider to it. Only if you want to, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't really care about the hand. And you're dragging this arm, and we're done for the your ragdoll. Now this is a ragdoll. This is like a fully physics. This ragdoll is fully physics based because it has like rigid body and stuff. It's like physics. Cause yeah, every glider fan game a dead body has physics, probably. You wanna select all the capsules that you made, and you want mesh render, uncheck it. Now, I'm kinda lazy. I don't really go in Blender and make a model, but you can do it if you want to. You wanna drag in your like dead body texture, like or meat texture, or whatever it is, and just drag it in. And whenever it's done, you can just play the game and it should work. Damn, it's loud. It's loud, it's loud. Okay, now when you can see the dead body works. Don't mind this, is just like an armature thing. It works, it ragdolls, everything is good. Want to know with that? I wanna select your like ragdoll dead body. You wanna hold it and drag it in whatever you want, like in models or whatever. Doesn't really matter, and I don't care at the same time. So After that, you wanna delete the monkey, your like dead body, and you somewhere in wherever you dragged it in, it should be there. If you don't see it, just type in whatever your ragdoll was called, and you just double click it. When you find it, should look something like this in your play model. Now you can add like a dying position, something. I'm just do something like this. Yeah, it's goofy. What you wanna do? You wanna add component. You wanna search up photon view. Only if you use multiplayer. This is so other people can see it whenever you die. Photon view, take over right here, and variable delta compress here. Also photon transform view, and yeah, you can also add like a dead body. Like whenever you like die, it makes like a sound. You know, like in Chimp Lab, it makes like a sound, something like this. Like whenever you die. I'm gonna put the sound in the link of description, so you can like go and download it. Once you're done with that, you wanna drag it in Unity. Just drag it in here. Spatial blend from 2D. You wanna set it to 3D. Linear roll off. I would recommend like 50. Just 50 max distance. You can set your volume to something like this. Actually, no. You're done. Now you wanna come back to your monster, whatever your monster is. Wanna drag in your dead body, like your dead body, or you wanna drag it in. And time before delete. Sorry, I spelled it wrong, cause I suck at spelling stuff. Time before delete. I recommend to set it 15, 16. So it's like 15 seconds. You can set it wherever you want. And yeah, it will be working. This script was made by me. So yeah, I don't need any credit, just use it if you want to. And please, by the way, go get Big Fear on itch.io. This is the game I made. I worked really hard on it. Please get it if you want to. And now let's test it out. It works. You wanna go to your monster and like die? Looks cool. So yeah, this is how you add a dead body for your glow attack fan game, and that's it. And you can also add cool stuff like blood splattering stuff, but that's optional. You wanna just go to your like dead body and just make an effect particle system. Just set the blood stuff up, like me. I did for mine. Looks like this. I made this effect myself. So yeah, this is how you do it. This is how you set a play dead body like model for your game. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.